Alright everybody, welcome back to Smoke Swamp Outdoors. Gonna give everybody an update on the compost spread. We got it all spread in. It was a lot. That's all I got to say. And it was infested with worms. I'll let the chickens in here run around and they enjoyed themselves. So the next video we're gonna do in building our own soil, we're gonna till all this in and then get the row straightened away. I'd try to throw it on top of the rows as best as possible. Nothing pretty. So everybody can get a good look. Still got a ways to go, but it's a start. We'll come in here, we'll run the tiller down the rows, and then use our rake, kind of mound it up. And then by next year, planting season, throw some topsoil on it, and we'll be ready to go. Great success. Lord bless us with our hard work, time, and energy. We'll have a whole bunch of food going. It's about doing the things. The more self-reliant we become, the less of the silly mess in the world that's going on will affect us. Hope everybody having a good time. Stay hydrated. And see y'all in the next gardening video. Shalom.